Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to check out a pair of headphones, the Skullcandy Stim. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and I'm going to just show you how well it works. We just get the scissors. Okay, so I thought that was torn. Oh wait, what? Okay, so it says English Supreme Sound, low profile fit, built-in mic, call and track control, adjustable headband. As usual, Skullcandy though. I mean, this cost me 2000. It cost 2000 rupees, and I got it as a gift. So it has a mic and yeah, it's a good all-in-one headphone. So let's just unbox it and check it out. Oh, I won't need these scissors because it has that. Oh my god. Are we supposed to open it like that? Oh yes, we would. Okay, got that open. Oh wow, oh my god, what did I do? What did I do? Did I just break the... Oh shoot. Okay, wait, you know what? Give me a minute. I'll just open the box and I'll be right back. Okay, so I unboxed. I just made a very big mess. Or I shouldn't have done that. We got two manuals here. This is 2-year global warranty. Oh, and a mic 1 user guide. So I think this. Okay, so you gotta click, click, and click. Gotta click a lot. So those are the headphones. Oh my god, that looks so comfy. Oh wow, that's good. Okay, give me a minute. I'll be right back. I need to do a comparison. Okay, so I got my old headphones over here. Not really old, but still my previous headphones. So these are a pair of Philips HP2000. They are very good headphones, and of course, as you can see over here, it has an ear cup, so you can just put it on like that. And this one doesn't have a mic, as you can see. It uses the computer's mic, whereas this guy has a good mic. Gotta double tap something too. Oh yeah, over there. Yeah, you gotta double tap that for it to work. So just put that aside, and I just put that on to see how it feels. This is like a really professional mic. I mean, headphone. I like it. Oh, that's small. Okay, I got this attached. It doesn't really cup around your ears. It feels nice. It has a nice comforting thing. It's pretty small. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. So I'm gonna just make a sound test. I'm just gonna check the sound of this by plugging it into the computer. And yeah, I think these are good headphones. Like for 2000 rupees, you're getting a very good pair of headphones. I mean, they look very good. They look professional. Oh yeah, recognize a headset with microphone. So I'm just gonna head over to Chrome and type in something in YouTube. Let's just check out a song. So I'm just looking at a song here. Whoa, this is good. The bass is really good. I mean, I was just listening to a song. The bass is really good. I mean, I don't know how good, but it gives you that kind of feeling that if you've looked at my review of the LG OK55 speaker, it's like that but on your ears, and that too it has a mic near your face, so you can use it for video conference calls and all that, as long as your web cam on the computer is all right. So well, I think that's it for my review and unboxing. Not unboxing, consider what I did to that. So anyway, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.